In this video, you're going to be seeing exactly how I went from $0 to $2,634 net profit in just 7 days of work drop servicing. I'm going to be breaking down all my strategies, every single step that I took to make this $2,634 in the last week, which is 7 days, so that hopefully you can see exactly what I did, so that you can replicate this in your own way and make your first $2,000 online. So if you end up sticking until the end of this video, I'm going to be speaking about every single secret that I know. I'm going to be talking about everything that I've spoken about before, every single strategy that I've taken with drop servicing, all my drop servicing tricks, hacks, and little income tricks that I'm going to be explaining in just the next 10 minutes. So this 10-minute video can potentially be life-changing for you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm also going to share with you exactly what drop servicing is, just with a little bit of your time and just in the next 10 minutes in this video, so that hopefully you can generate your first $2,000 online and even perhaps scale to 5 or 6 figures by the end of the year, just like I did drop servicing full time. The whole point of this video is to help you earn your first income online drop servicing. Whether you want to earn your first $50 to $100, even perhaps $200 per day drop servicing, or even perhaps become a little bit more financially flexible or even financially free, and like I said, to generate your first 5 to 6 figures in a year, which could be a good long-term goal for you. I just want to log into my live dashboard to show you my results from my store. I'm going to show you my exact store in a bit and how it converted into $2,634 in 7 days in drop servicing sales. Just to show you, over here on the 5th of Feb was $644, the 6th of Feb was $988, 7th of Feb was $297, and yesterday and today I haven't had any sales yet. But just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard and not a screenshot or anything like that, to show you this is live results that I am earning off of drop servicing, which is my full-time business off of YouTube. Drop servicing is where you sell rare high-income skills and services that takes years to study, years of hard work learning these skills, and only then getting a small job that will pay you a minimum salary. But what you can do with drop servicing is you can go and offer these rare high-income skills, sell them without actually doing the work yourself. So how does this work? Someone pays you, for example, $500 to design a website. You go over to a freelance expert website and you can purchase the same service from a qualified expert, for example, $80 to design that same website. Your customer pays you $500, you pay your expert $80, keep $420 in your pockets, and all you're doing is transferring the work from your service provider to your client, and you're keeping all that markup in the middle, and you're not doing any of the hard work. You're not even doing the service yourself. So hopefully that explains what drop servicing is. So that exact freelance marketplace that I use is called Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com, I'm sure you've heard of it before, is a freelance marketplace where we can go and hire people anywhere around the world with rare high-income skills to do different services and skills for us. For example, such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio. My top 3 niches is programming and tech, digital marketing, and writing and translation. In this specific video, I'm going to be using the niche of ebook and ebook writing. So take a look at this. For example, let me just quickly sign in with my account. Over here are people that will write your Kindle ebook, paperback, or non-fiction book at just $15. This person as well will write you a beautiful short story or novella at just $15. This person will ghostwrite your book or ebook at $115. This person writes comic books at $5. These people over here, 100k words fiction and notification book as a ghostwriter at $95, which is really not expensive at all. There are companies out there that charge thousands and thousands of dollars in your local cities to write the same kind of books. Why these people charge much lower is because they sole proprietors. They have their own little business. They have no expensive overheads, no business to run. All the profit is theirs. They're just taking the time out of their day to write these books for you. So what you can go and do is you can go and create professional landing pages that look like this. So for example, this is a company I created that does book design, ebook writing, that I got this template from another affiliate marketer that I am a affiliate marketer for, and I used this template and turned it into a successful drop servicing store. So over here you can see different services. If I scroll down, I offer any style, any genre, professionally designed to appeal to your target audience, different ebook covers, different stories that I'll write for you. Over here is the simple order process: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And over here you can see what different customers said and our services. So for a basic package, I charge $69 for a Kindle ebook writing cover, front page, unlimited revisions. Standard is $199, print ready plus Kindle, front, back and spine, free professional stock images, unlimited revisions, and then your pro package, which is everything from standard packages, editable source files, unlimited revisions, and priority 24-hour delivery. All I go to do is I come over to Fiverr and I came over to this person over here. I will write your ebook ghostwriter or ebook writer. If you have a look over here, they've got different packages: the basic, the standard, the premium, which is my packages over here. The basic, the standard, I've just got pro instead of premium. And you can have a look at this. My basic package costs me $40. I charge $69, so I'm making $29 profit. My standard package costs $100. I charge $199. I'm making $99 profit. My pro package costs $200. I'm making $399 profit. And when people check out with the service on my website, I go order the same service off of Fiverr and just transfer it to my client. And like you've seen, I'm keeping all this profit from this service. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can actually get this done for you drop servicing agency that I created at the end of this video, that you can go and use for yourself and start generating revenue for yourself as a bonus in this video. Now, what you need to do is, when finding a freelancer off of Fiverr, you need to have a look at their ratings. So for example, this person over here will create unique Kindle romance books. So what you can go and do is you can go use this landing page that I'm going to give to you in a bit. Make sure to keep watching, and turn this into a romance novel book company that writes novel romances and books about love stories. So over here you can see you could go charge, for example, $29 for the service, list this exact service. You can go and use all these descriptions over here to build your own landing page. But remember, I'm going to give you this template at the end of this video, so make sure to keep watching. You can charge for a standard package, and then you can go and charge for a premium package, which could be $5.99, and the standard package could be $2.99, and your basic package could be $49.99, and you're making $39 profit. And you're not even writing this book yourself. You're not doing any of the hard work. Another good niche that I recommend, that I've also been experimenting with lately, is the digital marketing niche. So if I come over to digital marketing, I like to usually do SEO ranking services and anything that's got to do with ranking websites on Google. So take a look at this. This is recently another landing page that I created that does data-driven digital marketing agency for automotive and premium brands. Over here I've got a free little video training that I created that explains what this business does, and then a contact us page and an inquire page where people can order our services off this website. So what I really like about these landing pages is, take note of how I've focused on the branding, making this look professional, adding brands, because that plays a huge role in selling the service at a markup. Is the brand, the professional look, because people can tell the difference between a well quality website and a poor website that doesn't look like it offers very good services. But when a website is branded well, people get the feeling that their work is going to be just of a high quality, so they're willing to make that investment. That's what sells your service. So over here, if you want to get this done for you entire drop servicing agency, that includes checkout, payment system done, landing pages done, all of these services linked up, done, even the website for you to import done for you to start and go and ready to make money and get your sales, over here I have an entire 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp / course where I teach you in 57 in-depth videos on how I created my top drop servicing store and made over $228,000 in 2020 alone. That store is now on par for 7 figures in 2021. Over here, included in this course, you will get my done for you drop servicing agency given to you that personally generated me over $98,000 in 2020, valued at $9,997. The total value of this course is about $19,000. It is tons and tons of value, probably the most value you will find in most courses online today. Currently this is on huge special, all at $397. This information has taken years to put together. It's very valuable and very sensitive information that I've learned over the years, hence why I feel like this course should not be for free on YouTube. This is information that personally generates me about $15,000 to $40,000 profit per month with drop servicing. You'll see over here all my other bonuses included lifetime access, an exclusive invite to my VIP drop servicing expert group, a list of my top 3 categories, my winning Google ads and drop servicing combo, and then my email marketing and drop servicing 60-day sequence super combo. Like I said, it's got tons of other bonuses. If you want to claim all of this, you can come over to the first link in the description. You can get that done for you templates over here, and make sure to enter MilliClub 1600 on the checkout to claim that discount. Let me just show you quickly. Over here on your screen, you can copy this MilliClub 1600 just like that, paste this coupon over here, and you'll see this discount is currently still running. So like I said guys, if you want to go and claim all of these bonuses in this course, head over to the first link in the description. If you have no idea what drop servicing is, I also have an entire 26-minute free training that explains exactly what's in this course, what drop servicing is, and I actually show the results on the back end of my stores from the results that I generated from this course, and my top store that generated $228,000 in 2020. All of that is revealed over here. So head over to the first link in the description, and I'll see you on this page.